Hi guys! When you're making videos and want to avoid using conventional transition methods, why not use a pleasure transition effect that I'm introducing today? It will inject a unique energy into your videos. If you're interested in this one, keep watching the video. Launch VideoProc Vlogger. Create a new project. Prepare two different types of video materials and the corresponding music. Import them into the software. Drag one of the background music files into the audio track. Use the split tool to adjust the duration. Go to the inspector to edit volume and add a fade effect as well. This step is crucial to ensure a smooth transition to the next music track. Next, drag the motion elements onto the video track one by one. Use the mouse to adjust the durations for rough cut. Preview the scenes briefly. For the materials requiring color correction, click the color icon in the toolbar to enter the color and filter editor panel. Use the parameters on the right side to make quick edits. Once you are satisfied with the color correction, click Apply to return to the main interface. Now, in the upper left corner of the interface, open the Effects panel. Find the border effect and drag it onto the effect track. Align it with the last video. Move the playhead to the last frame of this video. In the inspector, adjust the border size. Capture a screenshot by clicking the camera icon above the preview window. Import a screenshot into the software and place it on the overlay track. Align it with the end of the video. In the inspector, click Hide to make it fit to the screen. This completes the editing of the materials before the transition. Next, we click the plus icon on the far left of the audio track. Drag the other music track onto the newly added audio track. Let the start time slightly overlap with the previous music track. Edit end time. Then, drag both vocations videos to the overlay track for basic editing. Next, we move the border effect to align with the first frame of the first vocation video. Capture a screenshot using the camera icon. Import a screenshot and add two more overlay tracks by clicking the plus icon on the overlay track. Drag the screenshot into one of the new overlay tracks. Adjust the timing to slightly overlap with the others. In the inspector, find the Fade and Move properties and add a fade effect. Adjust the duration, and click the hide button to make it fit to the screen. This completes the process. Now, select the first image. Find the motion icon in the toolbar and click it to enter the motion editor panel. Add a keyframe at the first frame's position. Adjust the box to fill the entire screen. Move the playhead forward. Add another keyframe to generate the second keyframe. This time, adjust the box to enlarge it and position the image in the center of the screen. Then, add a speed curve to create an image shrinking effect. Move the playhead forward again. Generate a third keyframe identical to the second one. No need to edit this one. We continue to generate the fourth keyframe. This time, adjust the box to move the image out of the screen. Remember to add a speed curve as well. Finally, add a keyframe at the last frame to maintain the motion effect. Let's preview the effect. Well, looks good. Select the second keyframe. Note down its parameters for the second image editing. Click Apply to apply the adjustment. Next, let's add the motion for the second image. At the keyframe and the first frame's position, input the values we loaded down earlier in the frame control. Move the playhead forward. Add another keyframe identical to the second one. Add a speed curve. Go back to first keyframe. Adjust the box to bring the image closer to the camera's edge. This completes the effect of the image entering the screen. Move forward to generate the third keyframe. No need to add this one. And we generate the fourth keyframe. Adjust the box to restore the image to its original state. Add a speed curve. Let's preview the effect. This completes the entering and enlarging effect. We click Apply to apply the adjustments. Now we import a pleasure material and the background material. I will share this pleasure material in the fan club for those interested to use. Drag the background material onto the video track. Adjust the duration. Then drag the pleasure material onto the overlay track 2. Align it with this 2 image. In Inspector, click Height to make it fit to the screen. Adjust position parameters as needed. Upon preview, you might notice the pleasure material disappears too soon, so we cut out the frames without changes at the end. In the play speed area, select a slower speed to extend the duration. Now, everything looks perfect. Alright, that's all for today's video. If you have other content you'd like to see, don't forget to leave us a message below and hit that subscribe button to subscribe channel if you haven't yet. And we'll see you soon in our next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye!